Tim, good afternoon. So, here is your video. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to run the small parts to demonstrate to you that we don't need to put them into the pressure roll. You will see how quick that goes. Okay, we've set the machine to 6.1 millimeters. We are running at approximately 4 feet a minute, which is a good speed for this. So, here we go. As quick as you can put them on, and you will see they come out the back side. As you have many parts on the conveyor belt, they may shift a little bit because the pressure rolls lift. And here we are coming out, and you see we had a little bit of a shift. We have an excellent edge. So these are good parameters for the parts. You, of course, probably most likely would drop them into a bucket. Put them over to the side here. Don't worry about them shifting. We can have a little bit less of that if we spell some wider, which I'm going to demonstrate. That one I tested before. You can see that I'm still putting them on almost as quick as I can put them on. And then we have less shift because we are not lifting the pressure roll as much as we did as we had them spaced tighter. And those basically finishes these parts. Again, as I said, this is approximately 4 feet a minute. Very simple, very straightforward. So, now, I tested this already. This still has a little bit of burr. So we're going to go with these here, and we're going to go slower. We are going to go a little bit heavier for one thing. And we are going to reduce our speed to about 3 feet a minute. And because these are bigger, we can space them tighter and they will not shift. And as you see, I don't have to push them into the pressure roll. I just let them go. You can hear the machine work. So far that looks good. You may want to go even a little bit slower on those. And I will process you one set at 24 inches a minute. And we are not going to run the other side. So whether that is enough for you, you're going to have to be the judge of that. Okay, so this patch here, 36 inches a minute. And now we're going to go, actually, here, I'm going to take 6 more, we're going to go slow. Laying them on, you'll be continuously laying parts on. I'll give you an estimate on how many we're going to run. Here, they're just starting to come out now. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25, about a little bit less than 30 seconds, and you can run obviously 5 parts at a time. You probably could go a little bit denser, so that would be 10 times parts per minute or 600 per hour at that rate. And like I say, you can stack them into each other, so you're probably going to be somewhere between 600 and 700. Now I'm going to run your aluminum. I think those should be fine. I think those should be coming out really good. So these are 24 inches per minute, or approximately 600 to 750 parts per hour. So now we're going to run the aluminum, and you wanted to see what the depth situation. This is the burr side. The aluminum we're going to run lighter, and we're going to go to 2.1 millimeter. There we go. More. So here we go, and we're also going to go with the aluminum. We're going to go a little quicker again. We're going to go 36 per minute. Right now we're just checking for depth. Coming out. Edge is excellent, so we could go faster. I'm almost have a tendency to go a little bit lighter to also avoid rubber from the table on it, because this is thinner. It's only 2.2, but I feel almost no grit on it. There is no grit on it, we are going to take this, and I'm going to mark this first piece. And we're not going to wipe it and send it to you, and we're going to run the other ones too. But what I will do with the other ones, I will actually run them a little bit lighter, if you don't mind. Okay, first piece, first off piece. No dust. Okay? And you'll be pleased with that. Excellent. Thank you, Tim. Is it still running? Yeah. Okay. going to run the rest of them out, Tim, without running the video. I hope that's okay with you. Thank you very much, and they'll be on the way back to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.